Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Happy Mask Monday, ladies. And here we are, yet again, a new week. And so, wow, November is also going by so fast. And next thing you know, it's going to be 2020, right? And so it's been really, really crazy. I love a whirlwind. It feels like it's not going so fast, but at the same time, it feels like it's just like going really fast. I don't know if you know what I mean. But anyway, today, what I want to do is I want to try to use as much of my Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric mask as possible because it's only good for 18 months. And I know I've had it for a while now, not quite 18 months. And also, I'm at the pumpkin vibe right now, and I am loving everything pumpkin latte, pumpkin pie, pumpkin turnover, you know what I mean? So I thought I'll do a pumpkin mask for you guys today. And you know, I've done these in the past, but it's different every time I do it because it depends on what my skin is doing. Right now, my skin is like ultra dry, and so I'm hoping that this will help me. And this is a 2-in-1 Radiance polishing mask, and I'll tell you a little more about it if you just hold on. So I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. As I was saying, we are going to do something pumpkin today. And before we do that, though, we will do our usual affirmation for the day. And again, I'm going to be using my app. And let's see what we have today. Okay, very simple. And I am using Motivation app, and it does have an affirmation section. So you'll see that some of them are quotes if I'm just looking for quotes. But today, like, I'm looking for general affirmations, and that is an I statement. So that way it's easier for you to kind of use that I statement throughout the day, throughout the week, or whenever you feel like you need to, okay? And so today's affirmation says, I focus only on happy and peaceful thoughts that raise my vibration. Okay, I focus only on happy and peaceful thoughts that raise my vibrations. So what does that mean? What do you mean vibration? You know, like all living things are made up of just millions and billions and trillions of vibrations, right? Even they say even rocks have vibration. We as mere mortals may not be able to feel them vibrate, but they're there because that is the sign of life, that every cell, in existence vibrate in a certain tone or tune, and most of it will not be heard by just, ordinary people. Some people can hear it and some people can feel it. But what this is saying to me is I'm going to focus on happy things and peaceful things and things that it's going to really allow me to bring down that doubt, because I think vibration is there when you are at your optimal and you're happy and you're productive. And so all of a sudden that, the vibration makes you happy and brings out the best in you. Whereas if you're like, focusing on negativity and you're depressed, that's that cover, right? That's that cover that keeps the vibration down so you're not feeling, as happy. And think of it this way. Think of vibration as the sun, and think of the negativity and the depression as the clouds, okay? So you see how it would really temper down the brightness of that sun. So I think that's what this is saying for me, at least, right? So I focus only on happy thoughts, right? And peaceful thoughts that raise my vibration because I want to feel happy and I want to see the sunny day. I'm not saying clouds are bad and all in all, but as an example, as you can see, right? I want to make sure that I have a very sunny day and only clouds are like out there very in a nebulous place where I really can't see it, can't feel it, but I know they're there. But I'm going to focus not on those clouds, but I'm going to focus on that happiness, which is going to make my sun shine, okay? So, yeah, well, that's what I got out of it. Tell me what you think, okay? And so, that's that. And let's move on to the Yensa mask. Oh, but before I get into that, I almost forgot. I'm going to go ahead and insert a clip of the winner for the Colourpop Yes palette. And that was actually, let's see, it was started last Tuesday, so it's almost a week. Tomorrow will be a week, but I figured, you know, I'm going to go ahead and insert it in my Mask Monday Ladies one because that's where I have the biggest gap, okay? And plus, I'm going to start you guys this week out really nice. And so, yeah, I will do that. But let's focus on this for now. I'm all over the map this morning, guys, and I'm recording this on a Sunday, of course, and I'm really looking forward to either on Saturdays and Sundays we go to this little special place. It's a little sidewalk cafe, and it's called Coca-Cola, and that's where we have our latte and we have our little pastry for the week. And yesterday, as I was saying, everything just got discombobulated and just exploded. So today's the day I'm gonna recover from that, right? And so I'm excited. So I'm going to get this mask done. Yensa mask. Okay, here I am, like back here all... So what this is, it's a superfood cosmetic, and it's powered by 8 super orange essence, and it's nourishing mask and face polish in one. It hydrates the leave skin smooth, supple, and radiant, and pumpkin boosts collagen, and turmeric actually suits the skin. And this is actually the ritual, right? You want to smooth a thin layer on a clean, damp skin for 5 to 10 minutes, gently massage in circular motion with the warm water, then rinse clean. And you can use this 3 to 4 times a week for superfood glow. You know what? By the time that I finish telling you guys about all this, my face is dry. So let me just go dampen it real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I'm not going to go that far. I just have this on my table, and I've been loving this one. And, you know, this is, let me see who makes this one. It says Bloom Effects, and it's called Tulip Dew Mist, and it's fragrance-free hydrating mist. And I've been really liking that, and it's this here, and it came in one of my boxes. I don't know if you can see. And what I love about this is it is fragrance-free. And I just kind of mist my face. Okay, so now it's moist. See? I like it. It's convenient and it's nice. And I'm also going to go ahead and use my little paddle here. And I'm going to put a little bit, whoops, I'm going to put a little bit at a time. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this on. And I always, you know, I really love the feel of this. It's like really already feels moisturizing because my skin have been really crazy dry lately. And so I want to make sure I get this on really good. And, okay. And it says leave it on for, what did I say, 15 to 30 minutes? 15 to 20 minutes? Let me see. It says 5 to 10 minutes. Dang, what did I get all those long days for? And then while I'm having this do this, what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and play the video of the winner, so that way you guys don't have to like hang out for the whole time. I'm just sitting here waiting for this thing to start working, okay? All right, I want to make sure I get every part of it. I don't have a mirror here. I'm looking at the monitor, so trying to do the best I can. I think I got it though. Yep. And this is an important part right here because these are where my little bunny ears or 11s are. Okay, so now that I got that on, I will go ahead and set my clock for 5 minutes, and here is the winner. So let's go into commercial break. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we are again. Today we will be drawing a winner for the Yes palette from Colourpop, and this was a giveaway that we did on the Colourpop palette day, which I think it was Tuesday, and that would have been the 9th, I believe. So what I did already was go ahead and I copied my YouTube video URL here, and then I dropped down and I filtered for duplicate users so that way everybody gets a fair one chance. And here is the filter comments based on a specific text, and the text was the word yes, simply that, yes. And so let's see, let's scroll down here and see how many people actually entered the giveaway. Okay, there's 20 unique comments. Well, that's not too many. I'm not sure if I said there was a giveaway or that might have been a surprise giveaway or hidden giveaway. So yeah, you would have to be watching that video in order to find it. So okay, here we go. And what we normally do is go ahead and hit start and see who is the winner. Okay, Jenna Rotella. What did you have to say, Jenna? Hi, Alexis. I do like this Colourpop look you pulled off very well. I like the close-up you did too. I say yes, I can do anything if I put my mind to it. Okay, Jenna, let's check and see if I am on your publicly, let's see, not publicly reported, but publicly shown channel. Okay, let's see if I'm gonna have to do that trick. I may, and I don't mind doing it because, you know, at least showed me a quick way to do this, and I just have to scroll all the way down really fast. Oh, I think I saw me though just now. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, this may take a little bit. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, and it is Command. I'm going to show you what I mean by Command. The keyboard is a little different for a Mac, you see. So what I have to do is press Command F, and then this comes up. Gem button. Nope. Okay. Haute, Modesty. Okay. And enter. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, great. All right, congratulations, Jenna. And let me see. What I will do is, as usual, I will go ahead and give you the rules of how to get in touch with me. And again, congratulations, Jenna. Back to main programming. Okay, welcome back and congratulations, Jenna. Good win, and thank you for your comments. And also, please do get in touch with me either via Instagram under haute.modesty, MODESTY, and I am me there, or DM me is what they say nowadays, right? Or you can go ahead and drop all the way down in my details tab and look for my email and send me an email of your address, okay? Again, congratulations. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, you guys do know I do have one more, right? Yes, one more giveaway, which is the 850 Beautiful Wildflowers giveaway, which is a huge milestone giveaway. And I'm really, really close this morning. I looked. And so I think I'm maybe a 2 away or so. So yeah, but you guys do know that I need to be solidly into 850. So I can't pick anybody at like 850 and that's it. But if I stay in 850 for a couple of days or several days, or if I go up to 855 or so, I usually go ahead and pick the winner. But it should be coming up really soon though, guys. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you so much for your support. And I really do enjoy seeing your comments. And you know, at times I can't get to them like right in that real time. And I do try though, but I do respond to them. I do read all of them, and I'm really appreciative of all your comments, your thoughts, and your sweetness. And you know, I just really do enjoy creating videos for you, creating content that means something to you. And so do feel free to go ahead and drop any messages or email me or Instagram me or however you get in touch with me. Okay? So, alrighty. Anyway, before I go, I was almost going to say bye, but no, I can't because I have to tell you about this mask. Well, as you know, this was not the first time I used this mask, and I did tell you my skin is like super dry right now, and this actually is a polish, so it does have a little granularity to it, and so when you rinse it off, you kind of rinse, and that actually additionally can dry my skin out at times, but it's not too bad, but it doesn't dry it out, but it just feels a little bit tighter than if I were to put just, let's say, a cream mask or something, right? But this actually, I do love it, and I think it's really effective, especially if you have great normal to oily skin or combination skin. It's okay for dry skin too because it does have its replenishing ingredients in it. But what I do, just to make sure, is right after I rinse, right, I put on my moisturizing toner, and so I put that on there right away so that way it sucks in the toner. And if I were not recording, what I would do is follow that up with whatever, you know, if it's daytime, then my vitamin C and etc. And at night, it would be my niacinamide, etc. And so I do try to do it closely as possible while my skin is moist, okay? And so, but like I said, I really do love this mask, and I think I'm going to go ahead and try to use this up. I don't know if I'm going to be able to, but it'll be almost all gone because I don't want to let it go to waste. And this is so simple to put on, right? And so, yeah, I think I need to do a better job doing that. But as I said, my skin is dry. So even though it says to go ahead and do 3 to 4 times a week, I will probably be able to do 2 to 3 and no more than that. So take that into consideration. If you have a little bit of a dry skin, go ahead and use it anyway if you own it, and just don't do it as often, okay? And I hope that helps. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. Again, thank you so much, and I really look forward to continuing the journey with you guys. And when I'm sitting here going, it's almost 8:50, almost 8:50, it's not so much for the numbers, but just for the, I don't know, the fun of it and getting there, the challenge of it, and collecting more beautiful wildflowers to share content with. So, thank you. Okay? Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers. If I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and select all so you know every time I upload a new video. Well, I got stuck on that word. Anyway, so because I want you guys to have the opportunity to win, because you do have to be publicly subscribed to me, okay? And all of the information is below my detailed tabs of all of my videos since that giveaway. Alrighty, so I hope you enjoyed it. I want you to have a good day, a good week, a good night, or a good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But what does matter is that, you know what I'm gonna say, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.